student. Today we are going to learn the experiment resistance per unit length of a material wire. This experiment is based on Ohm's law. So let us see first what is a circuit diagram for this experiment. The different devices we are going to use here is battery, key, rheostat, the resistance wire, voltmeter and ammeter. So let us see first which are the different devices. We will start with the battery. This is a battery eliminator having a fixed range 2 to 12 volt. Since it is a DC source, we have a polarity plus and minus. Then we have is plug key. When plug key is closed, current will flow through the circuit, and when it is open, current will not flow through the circuit. Next we have is a rheostat. Rheostat is also called as variable resistor. So here we have a 3 terminal. These two are the lower terminal and this is upper terminal. Arrow in the circuit indicates the upper terminal. Here we have a slider which is used to vary the resistance or current. Next, here we have is a voltmeter. Voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the voltage or potential difference. So, polarity is there for voltmeter, positive and negative. This voltmeter is having a range from 0 to 6. So, between 0 to 1, we have a 10 lines. So, each line here is having a 0.1 voltage. Next, we have is ammeter. Ammeter is a device which measures the current in the circuit. So here the range of the ammeter is 0 to 500 milliampere. So between 0 and 100, 10 lines we have. So each line is 1 divided by 100, which is 10 milliampere. Now this is here inside this material wire we have, which is packed. It is having a resistance value 10 ohm. Now let us see the circuit connection and how we are going to connect it. So we'll start from resistor. In resistor, here we have the 2 wires. One is connected to voltmeter negative, another is going to rheostat upper terminal. Another terminal of material wire is going to voltmeter positive, same is going to ammeter negative. Then ammeter positive, battery, key, rheostat. All these are connected in series with the connection, that is resistor. Only voltmeter is connected across, that is parallel to the material wire. So let us switch on the power supply. We'll keep 4 voltage and we will close the plug key. So now current will flow through the circuit. So here we are going to take the reading. So let us see the connection here. From ammeter negative will start. Ammeter negative is going to ammeter positive is going to battery positive. Battery negative is going to plug key. Key another terminal is going to lower terminal. One lower terminal is kept free here. Then 2 wires are connected to material wire. One is going to voltmeter negative and another is going to upper terminal of rheostat. Then another terminal of wire is going to voltmeter positive and same is going to ammeter negative. Now let us see how to take the readings. So here we will adjust for a different values of voltage. You can see here the voltage is 0.5 volt and here we have the current as a 50 milliampere. So here we have the tabular column for this experiment. Current here we are having is 50 milliampere and voltage is 0.5 volt. Like this we are going to take the different readings. for different voltage and current by adjusting the rheostat. And then we are going to plot the graph of current versus voltage. Voltage is taken along x-axis and current is taken along y-axis. So when we are taking this, we have to choose the proper scale. Since here we have the readings in voltage 0.1, 0.2 like that. So we'll use 1 unit in the graph sheet as a 0.1 volt and 1 unit in the current, that is y-axis, we'll consider it as 10 milliampere. So then we are going to mark the different points. So we are going to get the straight line because for this material wire it obeys the Ohm's law. Since it is obeying the Ohm's law, the graph will pass from the origin. So we are going to get the straight line. Now we are going to find the slope of the straight line, that is AB upon BC. So resistance here taken is R is equal to 1 upon M, which is CB upon AB, because this is based on the Ohm's law. R is equal to V upon I. So like this we are going to find the slope, and then 1 upon slope will give us the resistance value R. So here standard value we are having is 10. So practically also we should get 10 ohm value. Then by knowing the length of the material wire, we can divide it to resistance, and hence we can find resistance per unit length of the material wire. And the unit for this is ohm per meter. So principle here we are using is Ohm's law. Based on Ohm's law only this experiment is done. Thank you.